Okay, so we got a Volkswagen here. This is a 2017 2.0. We got washer fluid sign right there flashing. We got the oil change sign flashing. We got the brake light flashing. But in today's video, you guys gonna see a few things that I do. Washer fluid, not this sign, the one that's about to appear right now. That guy right there. I'm gonna make sure how to fill the fluid, and so you can do it at home. Anyways, we're just gonna top off the washer fluid, and that sign should disappear. Other than that, if you got a tire light over there, and the oil changes do is showing low oil, we'll figure that part out. But for now, let's just focus on the washer fluid sign.
In front of the car here, once you open the hood, so to open the hood, you do need to push this. Okay, that's how it opens. If you push this, you will first disengage it from inside. So right here, this blue little guy, it has the same symbol. If you look on the top of it, it has the same symbol. It's hard to see because it's all blue. Usually it's gonna be blue. You open this up. You take some washer fluid. I'm gonna go get a gallon right now. So washer fluid depends winter, summer. So in summertime, you can put anything in. A lot of people like to use de-ice. If you live in a cold area, it's like orange or purple looking. So it's all your choice. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna fill this baby up. It's okay if you spill a little bit. All the way to the top. Don't stop till you see it levels up to the top. There's no high low on this, so just fill it up. There you go. After that, close this guy, and the light should go off automatically. Okay, you don't have to reset no nothing. The light will go off by itself. So if you want to clean this area up, it's all up to you. But this thing should just evaporate. And that's it. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. And bye-bye.
So our light for washer fluid is gone. You don't have to reset no nothing. Just start the engine up. It should be gone. But we did check the tire pressure. If you watch my other video, we got tire pressure light there. It's not going to go away on its own, so we got to reset that. We'll look into that.